Thank you for tuning in with Trade with Ellie. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Make sure to comment and like the video as well. So, a lot of people don't know that news actually plays a part in the foreign exchange market, right? And so, I like to go to forexfactory.com to check out my news. So, this site lets me know, right? Lets everyone know what news is going to be released at certain times of each day and how much that news may affect the market. So as you can see here, today is Sunday, June 14th. So tomorrow, Monday, June 15th, we have some news folders, right? So we have at 9:30 p.m. AUD news, which is an orange folder, and we have tentative JPY news, which is a red folder. So something we learned in the market or learn about the market is that news that have orange or red folders can truly affect how that currency pair moves, right? It doesn't exactly mean it's going to have a negative effect. It depends on what the news that is released, what that outcome is. So, for example, even today, right? Today's Sunday the 14th. So our next up and coming news is going to be at 10 p.m. It's currently 2 o'clock my time. And so we have CNY, right? The Chinese yen has some news at 10 and it has two orange folders. So red means that is going to be a high impact. Orange is a medium impact. Yellow, which you don't currently see here, is a low impact. So yellow folder news don't really impact the market. Gray normally means that that certain bank is closed, so that currency, might move a little bit slower. But we focus on the orange and red, which you do see here. And so we know that at this time, when this news information is released, there is a medium potential, right? The medium level potential that this currency pair can be affected by the information that is released. So when we have red folders, that is high alert. So the chances of this is extremely high, and more chances than not, it will move depending on what the information is released. Because sometimes if you have something like, okay, even with this, right, monetary policy statement, if the statement isn't really necessarily good or bad, you might not see any movement with the Japanese yen, JPY, tomorrow at 9:30 p.m., even though it has a red folder. Now, if the news is good, that means that we're going to see that the Japanese yen is going to increase in its currency. So depending on the pair that you're trading, right, that will sway it to either go up or down. And now if it's negative, right, that means the Japanese yen is going to be decreasing in value of its currency. And so once again, depending on the pair that you're trading, it will go up or down. So news is truly important. Sometimes, you can get in a great setup. However, the news that is released can change that. For example, Trump can decide that he's going to tweet something, or he's going to have a press conference, and if the information or the everyone reacts negative to it, then that is a negative impact on the US dollar, and thus you will see that that show in the US dollar pairs such as EU, GU, which is Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, which is UJ, and any pair that has the US dollar with it. So that's pretty much news and how it works. So check out my other videos on news, on different currencies, and how to understand how the market works.